What's up, guys? So today we're going to update the firmware in our Z6. This can also be done for the Z7. I'll put both links down below. So anyway, I just want to get straight into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a fully charged battery inside of your camera. And then you're going to want to format your card. So you go to the menu and go down to the wrench and go to format card and then hit yes. Okay. Then we're going to take that card out and we're going to put it into our card reader. Oops. And then we're just going to plug that into our computer. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is go to the Z6 or Z7 firmware page, which I will post down below. And you click on the firmware part and then you hit view download page. You're going to want to select your operating system. I have a Mac. Just scroll down to the bottom, hit accept, and then hit download. Once it's downloaded, you just open it up. You will then just drag the bin folder onto your XQD card. Just put it on that top folder. You don't want to go inside of anything in here. Then you just hit eject. Now we're going to take that card and put it back into the camera. Put your memory card back into your camera. Turn it on, go to menu. So we were on format memory card under the wrench. All you have to do is press up and it goes straight to firmware version. And all you have to do is go update, click OK. We want to update, yes, click OK. So you want to leave it still, let it update, don't turn the camera off, and then we'll come back to it. All right, it said update completed and turn the camera off, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to take the card out. I'm going to delete the bin folder off of the card. I'm going to go to the menu and check and make sure it is updated, and it is to 3.0. So success, we are done with that. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. You can do this with the Z7 too, the exact same way. So sharing is caring. Share this with a photographer near you and subscribe to my channel if I helped you out today.